Hi Rodrigo, I'm making this video to see if I could help you with your problem. So I am seeing the errors that you mentioned in your email right here, and this data is linked to this all data page, right? And I looked at your query that brings this data in, and the problem is this data is not formatted as a number, and that's why you're getting these formula errors right here. So the critical step you need to do is to, in your query, to get it in the proper format. So what I can do is I could just go to query here and bring up your query. So here's your query, and this is the problem here. Now I have a feeling you may be out of the country, right? Because the problem is these decimals. They're not being treated as a decimal here in the United States. It probably needs to be turned into a comma. So what I can do is I can go back. Let me just delete all these steps. I'm going to go to delete here. Actually, I could just do it right here. So I'm going to just highlight these two columns, and then I'm going to go to replace values, and then I'm going to replace the period with a comma. Click OK. And now you can see they're commas, right? Now I can convert it into, let's say, decimal number. And you can see now these are decimal numbers. This will work. This also needs to be converted to a whole number. And this is date. That's a date. That's fine. This needs to be converted into a whole number. Same thing here. And I think this will work. So if I go to close and load, if I go to your formulas, you could see I'm getting values here. Now the reason why I'm not getting values all the way through is you made a mistake in your formula. You could see here, this cell B1 is linking to here, but when you autofill this down, this is going to change. So you need to put this as an absolute cell reference. Now when I autofill this down, I get the proper values. And you can make the similar changes to all of these. Now I also noticed another error here. Here I believe you wanted B:B, not B:C. That's going to cause an error too. And the same thing goes with your min. B:C, it should be B:B, because you can see here you have E:E, F:'F. So that's another problem. And these again have to be absolute cell references. And that should fix all of your errors.